Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your energies in the middle of the month, and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in the mid of May. Okay, so let's get started with your reading for the middle of the month of May 2021 for my Librans. What is there for my Librans? Please guide me, my angels, my spirit guides. Please guide me for my Librans. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. And I'm going to pick out some of your past, present and future energies over here. Let's get started now. Okay. Alright, so a lot of major arcanas are here for you, Libras. At the back of the deck we have 9 of Wands. So what I feel, Libras, it's, you are in a state where you're feeling blocked. You're feeling like not taking any step, not taking any action. It's better to avoid people. It's better to avoid situations rather than confronting them. You are in that state because to start something new, it requires a lot of strength. A lot of inner strength is required. Courage is required for that situation, and you are lacking a little at this time. In the past, we have King of Pentacles, 5 of Cups and the 4 of Wands. This might be a marriage which might have broken with someone who might be very rich, or somebody who, it can be you as well. Well, this is Taurus energy, strong Taurus energies, a very mature and a very mature man, mature person, and a person who is able to take some decisions very easily, a decision maker of the home. So something happened in the past. It might be a broken marriage. Somebody is regretting from the past. Still somebody is regretting. It can be you as well. It can be your another person. So whatever happened in the past has brought a lot of regrets. And this is the reason you or your person might not be able to start new situations in the present. So the present cards are Ace of Cups, Strength, and 8 of Cups. And that is why this blocking energy can be yours as well, because you are, whatever happened in the past has made you so tough, has made you a person where you are not able to start new situations, start new relationships, and you just move on. You just go away from whosoever is coming towards you. This courage, this strength which is required in you, you are lacking that. In the coming future, we have the Moon, the Emperor, and the Justice card. So either it can be like you might be feeling something fishy around you. So strong Leo energies are here. Pisces, Cancer, Aries, and Libra energies are here strong. So you are going to be somebody who is trying to find some balance. If things are really hidden around you, you might be able to find that whatever has been hidden in around your life, whatever is there, if there is something which is hidden, it is going to come up in the surface. In regards with Justice, you might be even going through some divorce procedure in the coming future as well. So, and you are just waiting for that thing, what is happening, and just waiting. And that is why you are not connecting with people. If you are in that state where you are blocked and you are feeling that you are blocked, is because of other people around you. I don't feel that your energies are blocking you more. It's more about the other people's energy which is blocking you more. Let's see what is there for as a clarification for my Libras. 9 of Wands. Why is there 9 of Wands in the overall energy for my Librans? 9 of Wands, please. The High Priestess. See, strong energies for something which is hidden, something which, and you know it. You might be deliberately not getting involved with people because of you being tired, because of, like, when we have fought so much in our life, we really need some me time off for ourselves, and that is why you are just going away. You might not be even communicating with a lot of people at this time. So it's time to take some me time, it's time to take some rest. It's better to it's better to enjoy your life more than interrupting or getting involved in another person's life. That is what you are feeling. Let's see why the King of Pentacles is here. King of Pentacles, Five of Cups, and the Four of Wands in the past. What is the overall energy, please? Six of Swords. Strong energies of moving on from the past. Very strong. You were always being determined. At least you were sure that no, I'm not going to stay in this relationship. There are regrets. There are regrets from another person as well. You might have lost somebody who was very close to you. You might have lost a very beautiful relationship. You have suffered loss and you have suffered a lot of pain, but you were sure that it's better to move on from that situation rather than staying in the past in the same pain. And let's see why the Ace of Cups, Strength, and Eight of Cups is here. I feel that in the present, in some months only, like 2 to 3 months, or even just 1 month only, what happened, that something new started, like a new relationship, a new communication with someone. You are really happy with this person, because a lot of love energies are coming up. So you were happy, but because you were not able to decide what I should do, whether I should listen to my mind or my heart, so you listen to your mind because your heart was actually attracting you towards this person, but you chose to move away because your mind was telling you, no, this is not the perfect time for you, so you should move on. And that is why you took that step and you left this thing again behind. Okay, let me get some more energies, some more cards. Present, what is going on? The present. Ace of Wands. This was definitely a new beginning, new ideas, something new was there, new person was here. You were happy, you were feeling that you might have met the most happy person, most beautiful person, something like that. You were really happy with the situation, but you were communicating with this person, you were talking, you were you might be even talking, like you might have met online with this person. Why did you left the situation? Why did you left the situation? The Hierophant, because of some, I think that this might be some, either the custom issues, might be caste issues are here, or might be when your difference of opinions are here, when you're not coming up in the same decision making. Caste issues, or it can be somebody you are involved with someone who is already married, or you are married, so that is why you are waiting for something to get over and then to move on with the new person who has come. So now you are not taking any step in regards with this new communication because you are figuring how to end the past issues still. Let's see the future energies. The Moon, the Emperor, and the Justice. What is there in the future energies? Page of Wands. Okay, one more card. The Chariot. So I feel that you are going to take a decision. Once the decision will be made from your like the court, the lawsuits, whatever you are waiting for. If you are waiting for some kind of hidden thing, so things will come out, and once everything will settled, you are going to go back to the past, not past, basically the present at right now at this time. So you are going on with this person only. So this person with whom you have met, you are actually really happy with this person. You want to start a new life with this person. You want to move on, but it's the society, it's the things which is actually keeping both of you not together. just a little separated from each other. It's just this thing, but otherwise a very strong bond I'm getting here for you, Libras. Okay, so I have already told you what energies I have picked up. So I have picked Cancer, Pisces, Taurus energy, strong Leo, Cancer again, Aries, Libra, Pisces, Cancer, and Sagittarius, Leo. I think all the energies, Taurus, strong Taurus energies, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Yeah, all of the energies are here. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Libras. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.